Hello and welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today I will be showing you this 2021 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive with bird's eye view. Let's check out the inside. Up on the instrumental panel, you'll see that this Rogue has 34,000 miles. To the right of your steering wheel is your stereo controls, which has your regular FM and AM radio, Bluetooth audio, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. With this Rogue, you have a backup camera as well as a bird's eye view of all around the car for safety. Under your stereo controls is your climate controls, which are really easy to use and have a sync mode. Under your climate controls, you have your engine start-stop button that is really easy to use, as well as a few charging ports and storage. In the center console, you have your gear shift, cup holders, parking brake, hold, and your sports modes. With this Rogue, you have 5 driving modes, including snow and sports mode. In the center console, you have more storage, as well as there's more storage under the center console. Up on the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, which has voice commands, hands-free calling, and adaptive cruise control, as well as your bird's eye view cameras. On the left side, you have your menu options as well as your volume control. Down here, you have your brightness control as well as your steering assist button. On your door panel, of course, you have your window controls, door locks, and mirror controls. This Rogue has a cloth material that is super comfortable to sit in, as well as automated seats. Let's check out the back seats. In the back here, you have plenty of space, as well as the middle seat does fold down to be an armrest with cup holders. The back of the center console also has some more charging ports and vents. You are also able to fold down the second row seats for more storage. Now let's check out the trunk. In the back here, you have plenty of cargo space, as well as a road mat that is pretty durable. Nissan is also very nice and provides a first aid kit with most Nissans. And with that is all I have for this 2021 Nissan Rogue SP all-wheel drive with bird's eye view. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 717-733-8985 or stop in for a visit. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.